Welcome everybody into another review. Be a little bit different from the usual. I'm talking more about what happened in these first days of August, and I want to really highlight the difference between the actual live trading that I did and the expectancy of my setup. So we're going to review and go through each and every trade opportunity that I missed, each trade opportunity that I took, and see what is the actual difference, because that's what you can see on the right hand side, the difference between the theory and the actual trading results. So we're going to go from the 1st of August, and we're going to do the recap of every opportunity that I saw and that I took or did not. So I just did it, and I recorded in a one way, so they are all marked up already. And also my final part, where I want to talk about the psychological beliefs that are actively interfering with my trading. We were going to talk about it, but we're going to talk about it more in the sort of a screenshot, because I already took it so from the first video. So we can start already from seeing, I mean, you already know my setup, and this is a clear break and retest of these last lows. This is a retest, and this is a missed win, because this one was actually going from 45 pip TP. Now then price is breaking and retesting these lows, and actually I missed this entry. Would have been a loss, but it's still a missed trade. Then what I will take is, after seeing this momentum, bearish momentum over here, I will take this retest of these last lows, and this is actual loss that I took. And after some report at the 10 AM candle, price would break and retest these last lows, and this would end up being a win. So if we just want to do the numbers, this would be a 45, but I didn't take it. This would be a -10, but I didn't take it. This would be a -10 and a -10 because I actually took it, this one. Then we have a missed win over here, which is actually a 45, but a 0. So only taking one trade, and that's the difference between 70 and -10 pips. It's already an 80 pip difference, due to the fact that I'm not taking all the trades that the setup is showing me. So then we move on to the next day. So as you can see, I took my first loss. I took my first loss over here. Price is breaking and retesting. So this is an actual -10, -10, as you can see over here. And the next setup is again a -10, -10. The next one is a -10, -10, and then a -10, 0, because I missed the entry. I didn't take this buy. So this day only would be 4 losses, but then I would be having a win. Break and retest of these last lows. So this would be a 45, 0. There you go. And so as you can see, even if the day started up quite bad, and I took probably too many attempts at the same, doing the same range. I mean, 1, 2, 3 trades when the price is not moving yet, just trying to time it. I will still end up being in profit, even if slight profits, will still be in profit overall for the session. So then we move on to the next day, the next New York session. This was a rough day, because in this case, the actual and the expected are the same. So these are 4 losses that I actually took. And I think actually that is not that bad. I think that was part of the setup. As you can see over here, if I took my trades, 1, 2, 3, just 3 wins out of 13, I will still be profitable. This is like a 3.5% profit overall, and as you can see, and it still is quite a harsh couple of days, but still will be profitable. The fact that I didn't take the previous trades, that is what is affecting my PNL. Then we have NFP day. As you can see here, I missed an entry. This is more clear on the 20 tick chart. I'm not going to over that again. I missed a sell over here, that would be a loss. So this would be a win, this would be a loss, this would be a second loss. So let's do it like this. So that would be one win and two losses that I missed. And I will miss also the break and retest that will end up being a win. So it's actually, as you can see, one more win that I missed. And now we're coming fast into Monday. Monday, I took the first trade, was a loss. I missed the second opportunity, which would end up being a win. I took the third setup, which is a loss. Probably I should have taken this last lows instead of these old lows, but yeah, anyway, was quite unlucky because it's a 12 pips stop loss and I got stopped out at 10. The same over here, my 10 pips stop loss was stopped out at 11.8. So that was quite unlucky, but still I missed then another win. So as you can see, I missed 2 wins and I took 2 losses. So as you can see over here on the right hand side of the screen, I have been missing out on basically 27% because I would have been up by now by 17.5% of my account. Instead, I'm down 10%. This is a minus 10%, over more or less, because of course with commissions and with some pips that here and there that have been taken out with the spread and the slippage, I am down a little bit more, but I will be up probably at least 15 pips, 15%, 15. And that's a huge difference. That's a huge difference, especially if you think about that is just 1 week of trading. So now I'm going to show you the actual screenshot that I took, because now we are going to talk about the psychological part of it. So as you can see, this was the last day of trading yesterday, and you can see here my thought process from the left to the right. You just have to follow the arrows, and I'm going to explain with you. So first of all, I see a break and retest of these last highs. I am confident, I am fearless. In this moment, the dominant belief, the one that has more energy, is the belief that I am a confident trader, I am successful, and I don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. So I don't need to know that from here what the price is going to do. I know that this is my setup and I enter, and that's going to be profitable. As simple as that. I get what is happening, so I take this entry. I'm fearless and confident. What does happen is that I get stopped out for a pip or two. So this is what my focus is going to. My focus is going into the unlucky. I'm unlucky because I cannot get a trade right, because I get stopped out as it is. If this stop loss, if this trade now price would start going bearish, I would not care at all. But the fact that it's only going at 11 pips and then into profits, it's sticking with me. So now the dominant energized beliefs are that I'm unlucky, I cannot get a trade right, that I need to know. I need to know what is going to happen, and if it's going, I need to be sure that it's going to work before entering. And especially, as you can see over here, I missed this entry because the price action is so slow, and that I think, why should it go 45 pips from here? I do it a lot, and all the times when the price action is not moving fast, I struggle, because I think, why should it go 45 pips from here, down up there? I mean, it's crazy. Why should it go, and how long will it take? What will be the reason for it? I mean, I don't need to know. I know that in theory, when this dominant belief is, this energized belief is dominant, I don't need to know, and I absolutely understand that I just need to enter, because overall, even with a less than 50% win rate, I will be hugely profitable. You can see over here, that's hugely profitable, and over the span of 21 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exactly 30% of win rate. And I had some rough days where I had like 4 losses in a row, and I'm still huge, 17% in 1 week. So it's a 30% win rate. Why should I care what is going to happen next? I don't need to know. But it's just about a conflicting conflict. It's not something that is conscious. It's unconscious. It's because I have conflicting beliefs. I have the belief that I'm confident, but I also have the belief that I cannot get it right, that I will make mistake, that if I make mistake, I'm stupid. And so I start to second guess my setup, and I missed it, just to see it go slowly, but going into TP, and that really sucks. Then due to the fact that enough time has passed over here, I think I'm not, I was not pointing it out, I think, I don't know. So I'm gonna believe, due to the fact that I missed, enough time has passed, I see this break and retest, and I don't spend too much time thinking about, is this the right PSA, or maybe it should be this one, I don't care. I mean, and it's good, because now my dominant belief is that I am a confident trader, I am successful, I don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. Whatever market does, it's okay and it's good. I just need to play my probabilities, play my game, and let the probabilities play out. What is happening is that I get stopped out by the people too. This was quite an unlucky day, but I know that I don't care. I don't need to know. I start thinking about I should have a 15 pip stop loss like before, but I don't focus on the fact that this entry had no drawdown. This entry will have no drawdown. All the entries that you saw had basically no drawdown. So why should I start thinking about that? Because now this loss is giving energy to the belief that I am not good, that I'm not a good trader, that when I make a mistake, then I'm bad, that I'm not a good trader, that I'm a losing trader, that for sure I need to be sure about what is going to happen next before making any move. And I don't trust the market. I don't trust that before, if it breaks below here, it retests, then it will move in my direction. I'm giving expectation. I'm scared because I don't trust the market, and market is simply moving. Market is simply giving me information, showing me information, and I just need to see, okay, is this information coherent with my setup? Yes, no. Yes, I enter. No, I don't enter. That's it. I don't enter over here. I don't enter over here because this is not my setup. So this is all this information is useless for me. It's not threatening. It's not nothing. This information is useless. But this information, this one, or this one is okay. This in this moment the market is giving me the information. It's telling me this is your setup. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will be profitable. I'm not guaranteeing you that this trade will work, but I'm telling you this. If you want to perceive it as an edge, trade on it. If you want to perceive it as a threat, then do whatever you want. But I'm just simply giving you the information. Do what you want with it. And due to the fact that I am switching my energy from energized belief of a confidence trader and into unlucky and bad trader, first of all, I'm getting frustrated. I'm getting very frustrated because I miss the moves. And second of all, I'm getting tired and I'm getting out of focus for nothing, for something that I am creating on my own in my head. So that's not what I want. Anyway, this is the focus, and I did this video just for this reason, because I want everybody to have this focus, and especially me. So I hope you guys find it interesting, and I hope I will be able to work on it, and I'm 100% sure that I will work on these beliefs because they are affecting my bottom line. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you next time.